Hi, I'm Joshua Yardy and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my Atmospheres project, which is titled Blumin Ek. Blumin Ek is a sort of colloquial term for Blumin Ek, or a kind of mild expletive like Blumin Ek, what you doing sort of thing. I called it this because it's a phrase used quite a lot throughout my family, and this piece is all about my family. Over the past year I collected audio of all my family talking. I got about 7 hours footage of people just talking to each other, playing games over phone calls, just general talking really. And I whittled all of that down to phrases and moments that were funny or interesting or typical of each person. I took, again, moments of these and analysed the musical content of each phrase, of each person. You know, like the meter of how someone talks, or the rhythm and pitch of each person. Made a piece for each member of my family based around them, their personalities, and obviously what I've taken from how they speak. The whole piece sort of explores my familial connections with my family. I think really captures each person's sense of humour and personality. Musically, I feel the piece brings out my own sense of humour. That's what I wanted to create, something that's very me and something that was for my family, to sort of be a musical family portrait. There's orchestral stuff, there's rock stuff, there's jazz stuff. It's a collection of all styles of music that I enjoy and that each member of my family enjoy, and it's sort of compiled together to make this conglomeratory nonsense that's, again, very, very me. The whole thing is supposed to be fun, and I just want you to laugh. I hope you enjoy my work for Atmospheres. It's called Blumin Ek.
You'll get drunk on the lamb. It keeps you regular.